Hey guys, thank you for stopping by the channel. We do a lot of a little, or a little of a lot, whichever one you think is cool. We do comic book collecting, a little bit of speculation. We also do some Marvel reviews of TV shows and movies. If you're into cars, comics, cosplay, and all that good nerdy stuff, a little bit later, we'll have a project card coming through. I don't know if I want to keep that on the channel, but if you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below if you want me to keep the project card on the channel. This one's a Lexus GS300. It's got a 2JZ motor, the GE one. We're gonna see if we can make some power out of it. So, like I said before, comment down below if you want me to keep it on this channel and not do an extra channel on the side. We got the guy Stanley down here. He's chomping away on his bone. He's our manager for the show. He'll pop up every now and then, but he really just gets in the way. Sometimes it might take me a little while to post a video. I am active duty military, so sometimes I will have to...
Oh, hey Perry, I'm really looking forward to teaching with you. Onward! Eagle!
Work a long period of time, so if I look a little tired right now, I'll show you what I used to look like. I just got off of working 30 days straight at work, but that's what we do. With that said, have a great day. Keep striving to make your passions a reality.